Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download and play Minecraft on PC or Mac for free. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the process that I am going to show you and how you can download and play Minecraft on your PC for free is by using BlueStacks. So if you want to know on how you can do that, just continue watching this video and follow the steps I am going to teach you. So these are the steps. First, just download and install BlueStacks on your PC and complete Google sign in to access the Play Store, or you can even do it later if you want to. And then after that, just look for Minecraft in the search bar at the top right corner and click to install Minecraft from the search results. And after that, just complete Google sign in to install the Minecraft. So this if you skip the second, or if you skip the second or the step 2, and then after that just click the Minecraft icon on the home screen to start playing. And so that's it for this video. Those are the steps on what you'll need to do for you to be able to download and play Minecraft on your PC for free. And so I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.